Hey everybody, this is Vinny with ExcelDistanceCalculators.com. This is the place where Excel meets Google Maps. Here on my site, you'll be able to find any possible distance calculators, and if there are any that you cannot find, please let me know. Right now, I want to showcase you my latest tool, the Excel Zip Code Finder and Generator. The purpose of this tool is to generate a list of zip codes that are closest to an address or point. This will allow the user to find that list of zip codes within a radius that is set by you, the user. So how do we use this? Well, let's say you are an appliance repair shop that is located in Raleigh, North Carolina. As a servicing shop, you only want to travel about 100 miles in each direction to service your appliances. We want to find out what zip codes are within that 100-mile radius that the shop will and can service. So my Excel zip code generator based on radius makes this task a breeze. First, let me tell you that all of our tools are based in Excel. As such, there is nothing to install. All you need is Excel installed in your computer. Once you download my Excel-based tool, it will look something like this. So first, we have the input sheets. Here you'll enter the following data. We need your shop or central location zip code. This will place the location at the center of the radius or the circle that you can travel. Then you enter your search radius. This is the maximum number of miles away from your shop that you are willing to travel. There is an option to calculate the driving distance as well. If you choose yes to this, you'll get both the straight line distance and driving distance in mile and driving time for each zip code. In addition, I have a limit number of results, which allows you to set a maximum number of results if needed. At this point, once we've entered these inputs, we click on Generate. The tool will generate the list of the zip codes that are within that radius for your appliance repair shop, starting with the closest one. If you choose to calculate driving distance, it will generate those as well. As you can see, it takes a lot longer for the driving distance and driving time, since we're using the Google Maps tool or the Google Maps API to generate those results. And really, it's that simple. Hope this tool helps you automate parts of process, saving you time and making it more efficient for you in your day-to-day operation. Don't hesitate to call me or send me a note. My phone number is in the contact page if there is anything else that I can help you with. Also, if you need a web version of this or need help with any other process automation that can help you save precious time and make you do better as a business, please don't hesitate to drop me a line. I've been helping companies like yours for the last 13 years to be more efficient and more competitive through better tools and automation. Until next time.